U.S. government supports Ripple against the SEC. XRP to $95,000. A lawsuit between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple is awaiting a decision on Hinman's speech. Lawyer John Deaton hinted that a decision on this issue could be made by the end of this week. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Judge Ned Byrne has yet to decide whether Hinman's emails and related documents fall under the SEC's proposed attorney-client privilege, while Judge Torres must decide on the motion of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to prohibit XRP holders from submitting a brief opinion on the report of the agency's expert Patrick Doody. Eleanor Tourette, a Fox Business journalist, reported that according to John Deaton, a decision on the issues mentioned could be made this weekend. The decision on Hinman's speech may prove to be a big breakthrough in this protracted case. The SEC's repeated allegations about the speech and related documents have already caused a major delay in the case. Meanwhile, Judge Analisa Torres announced her response to the defendant's motion against the SEC. Nevertheless, the court asked the supervisory authority to make the proposed revision of Ripple's response. In the letter, the judge mentioned that the court had studied the defendant's response to the opposition briefing of the Securities and Exchange Commission. She added that their letter about sealing this response has also been reviewed. Attorney James Phelan tweeted that Judge Torres, in her response, gave the Securities and Exchange Commission the opportunity to propose its own amendments against the defendants by June 23, 2022. The court also asked the Commission to submit a letter explaining its proposal. Meanwhile, Phelan emphasizes that the court wants to see what the Commission wants to edit, and then make a decision in accordance with it. The Securities and Exchange Commission was given the opportunity to amend Ripple's response to its objection to Amici's request to participate in the upcoming expert competition. After Ripple's request that its response to the SEC's objection to Amici's participation in the ongoing lawsuit be published publicly, the court stated that it would allow the defendants to submit a response to the public list only after the Securities and Exchange Commission makes the proposed revisions to the blockchain company's response. According to a recent order, the Securities and Exchange Commission is instructed to study Ripple's response and make the proposed corrections by June 23, 2022. If the SEC has any suggestions for editing Ripple's response, the SEC will have to submit a letter explaining why it does not want some parts of the response to its objection to be published in the public domain. Accordingly, by June 23, 2022, the SEC must file any proposed revisions of the defendant's response in a letter explaining its proposal, Judge Analisa Torres ordered. The court's ruling was shared by lawyer James K. Phelan on his Twitter page, who explained the development of events by saying, Judge Torres says that before she allows the defendants to file a response publicly, the SEC gets a chance to say whether there is something in the response that shouldn't be public, and why. She wants to see what the Securities and Exchange Commission wants to edit, and then make a decision on all issues at the same time. Quote, this event occurred less than 2 weeks after Ripple and individual defendants, Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse, demanded that the court make public its response to the Securities and Exchange Commission's objection to Amici's participation in the upcoming review of expert reports. At the time, the defendant said that although he had filed his response to the Securities and Exchange Commission's objection to Amici's participation in a sealed manner, he was open to putting the response on the public list. Today we have classified our response out of respect for the upcoming court decision on the still unresolved petition of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Recall that the SEC asked to classify its objections to Amici's request to participate in the review of expert reports. The agency noted that its decision to file an objection to Amici's participation is due to the desire to protect the expert from any form of attacks and harassment by XRP investors directly affected by the ongoing litigation. However, Ripple does not consider the reason given by the SEC to be sufficient for filing the entire objection classified, which prompted the court to demand that the agency make the proposed revision to sections that may jeopardize the expert's safety. Attorney John Deaton, a lawyer who received amici status in a lawsuit between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, noted that recent market events have shown that the price of XRP is not affected by the blockchain company. The lawyer claims that XRP is heavily dependent on Bitcoin, BTC, which contradicts the SEC's claim that Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen made significant efforts to influence the price of the cryptocurrency. Supporting his argument, lawyer Deaton noted that despite the fact that Ripple has made important announcements over the past few weeks, its cryptocurrency has fallen significantly. Recall that Ripple announced in May 2022 that its on-demand liquidity, ODL, recorded a significant increase. While other cryptocurrency-related businesses are laying off employees due to the collapse of the cryptocurrency market, Ripple announced that it will recruit hundreds of employees in the coming weeks, confirming that the downturn in the market has not affected the company. Despite these positive statements from Ripple, XRP has not grown. Instead, the price has fallen along with Bitcoin, suggesting that the value of XRP is largely correlated with the upper asset class. Over the past month, the price of XRP has fallen by 21.1%, and over the past 2 weeks, the value of the cryptocurrency has fallen by 18.6%. At the time of publication, XRP is trading at $0.32, with an increase of 3.5% over the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, Deaton's lawyer noted that the experts on the claim submitted their reports and the necessary testimony was given. One of the SEC experts who will testify in the lawsuit, Drive, Albert Metz, will provide detailed information to determine whether the actions of Garlinghouse and Larsen directly affected the price of the XRP coin. The examinations have been submitted, the testimony has been completed. But the last few weeks have completely proved that the price of #XRP is determined not by Ripple, but by Bitcoin. Garlinghouse announced that the ODL has increased 6 to 8 times, and Ripple is hiring employees and others are laying off. However, the price of #XRP. Deaton's lawyer tweeted, "The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments." That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.